For the last 200 years, the world has revolved around Europe and the United States, economically, politically, and militarily. But that era is slowly coming to an end, because the next 50 years won't belong to the West, they'll belong to Asia. Its demographics, economics, energy, and geography all moving in the same direction. So let's break it down. First, welcome to the new channel, the Global Mac Brief, where we brief all news all around the world. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, also hit that notification bell. So let's dive right into it. First, population. Asia is home to nearly 60% of the world's population. That matters because power has always followed people. While many Western countries are aging, shrinking, or struggling to replace their workforce, large parts of Asia are still young, growing, and urbanizing. Countries like India, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines are adding millions of working-age adults every year. This means more workers, more consumers, and more long-term growth. Simply put, the future global middle class lives in Asia. Next is manufacturing. The modern world runs on things that are built, not just ideas, and Asia builds most of them. From electronics and semiconductors to ships, machinery, EVs, batteries, and consumer goods, Asia dominates global manufacturing. Even when products are designed in the West, they're usually built in Asia. There's a simple rule here. You don't control the future if you don't build it. And Asia builds the future at scale. Now, let's talk about energy. Energy isn't about climate, it's about power. Asia leads the world in solar panel manufacturing, wind turbine production, battery supply chains, and rare earth processing. These aren't just green industries, they're strategic industries. Whoever controls these energy infrastructures controls growth, stability, and leverage. And increasingly, that control is shifting east. Geography also plays a huge role. Asia sits in the center of global trade routes. The world's busiest ports, shipping lanes, and supply corridors all run through the Indo-Pacific. And something important is happening right now. Asia is trading more with itself. Intra-Asia trading is growing faster than Asia to West trade. That creates a self-reinforcing economic ecosystem, one that doesn't depend on Western demand to survive. Another advantage Asia has is its speed. Many Asian countries build infrastructures faster and cheaper. High-speed rail ports, factories, power plants, small cities, they get all planned and executed in years, not decades. Less gridlock and more execution. That speed compounds over time. Meanwhile, much of the West is hitting a plateau. Aging populations, high debt, slower growth, political polarization. This isn't about a decline, it's about momentum. The West will remain wealthy and influential, but growth, expansion, and scale are shifting toward Asia. The next 50 years won't be about one country replacing another. They'll be about where people, production, energy, and trade converge. And that convergence is happening right now in Asia. This is why many economists already call the 21st century the Asian century. And we're only at the beginning. If you want more clear, no hype breakdowns of global power shifts, energy, and economics, subscribe to the Global Mac Brief. Because understanding the world isn't about headlines, it's about seeing where the momentum is going. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.